So today we are going to do a beaver.
That's right, boys and girls. We're going to make a beaver out of a brown paper bag. All you need is some brown construction paper and some white paper. If you have googly eyes or not, we'll work with those, and a brown paper bag. And it's going to be a lot of fun.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. All right, let's get started here. Yes. And first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to make some ears for our little beaver. As you can see, we're going to have ears, some eyes, and some teeth, and some hands that we're going to make. All right, since we need to make two arms and hands for our beaver, we can do it all in one by taking this paper and folding it over, just like this. And you want to make kind of a longer arm because you can always cut the arm off if it's too long later on. And just kind of make a straight line like this. Okay. And then you're going to make another straight line like that. And you want to add 4 fingers. On cartoon animals, they usually have 4 fingers. So you have the thumb. And just draw some nice fingers like that. Try to make them a little bit bigger so you have room when you need to cut it. So there you go. That'll be our arms for our beaver. And while we have this paper already laid out, we want to also make some ears, just like this. So for our ears, what you want to do is just kind of come out and make a shape like this, just like that. And we'll cut out all of our shapes that we need for our beaver puppet. As you can see, what I'm doing here is I'm holding the paper and I'm turning the paper, but my scissors remains in one position, and that way it seems to work out better for me when I'm cutting out parts like that.
Make 2, Dad.
And now we're going to make the tail for the beaver. And did you know when the beaver gets alarmed or, they sense some danger, they take their tail when they're swimming in the water and they go whoosh, and they make a loud noise, and that sometimes will scare off a predator or alert other beavers that there's danger around. So once again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 beaver tails. Since I'm making one for Lucas and one for myself. As you can see on the back of this bag here, you want room here to glue the tail on. So it kind of goes up a little bit here. So I'm just going to put
cut.
I'm going to put 2 dots right here.
Cut.
And then another dot right there. That's just reference. And then I'm going to put
Cut.
2 dots right here to start with. So I like putting dots as reference so that when you're drawing, it seems to work out a little bit and your drawing seems to stay in control a little more. And you can see, then I'm bringing it around, I'm just connecting the dots. And if you miss the dots, that's okay. And then bring that right back there. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut out this tail. We need to do the teeth and the eyes. All you have to do is fold the paper like this if we're going to make a set of them. So let's make some big
cartoon
eyes. And what do you call that in the center? The pupil, right?
Yeah.
And we want to make 2 teeth. So I'm just going to do a big, what shape is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Like that. So let me go ahead and cut out my teeth. Beavers, they can chew through wood. They can cut down a tree, so they have very sharp teeth.
Sharper than sharks.
Sharper than sharks?
Yeah.
That's a good question.
Oh, wait. They have the same kind of sharp teeth as sharks.
Would you rather get bit by a beaver or a shark? Which one would have sharper teeth?
Sharks.
Sharks. I think sharks would have sharper teeth. But I don't want to get bit by either a beaver or a shark. I think they would hurt. Yeah. Now, since you have all your shapes out, before you glue it, what I want you to do is take a black marker or a Crayola, and I want you to outline all of them. And do this over a paper so it doesn't get on your desk or your mom and dad's table that you might be working at right now. And just outline everything. And then don't forget the pupil on your other eye. Okay. And then set everything to the side so you don't lose it. And then we need one more thing, and that is
the nose.
The nose. And that is a triangle that we're going to be making. So since we need to make 2 of those, I'm just going to bend the paper over like this. Get my marker. And I'm going to put probably a point right about here. All right, so I'm just going to make my triangle. I'll put dot here, there, and there. And I'm going to connect the lines. Just like that.
Oh, Kitty. Kitty's down now. No studio.
All right, so let's go ahead. All right, I think we have everything we need now. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you a paper bag. When I was little, I used to put some of my lunches in a paper bag like that.
Now I put it like this. So.
Hello, Kitty.
Where's a big, oh.
Now this is the fun part. First, what you want to do is take your nose, first of all.
Where's my nose?
Your nose is right there.
There.
Right. And you're gonna put it right in the middle, and it even covers up this little part right here. You gotta put it right in the middle, right there. Okay. So I'm gonna take some glue. And just put a nice, little line around it. Don't put a lot of glue on there.
Yep.
So I'm going to put my nose right here. Hello, Kitty. All right, now we're ready to work on the cheeks of the beaver. But I need to be able to work here, Kitty. If you could go over there. Oh no!
What?
Okay. You okay there, Kitty? All right. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make some cheeks. And basically just kind of almost like a circle. So we're going to start right here. And we're going to make, kind of goes around like this. And then right here. Let's make another cheek here. Goes around. Then back by your triangle. And what I like to do is I like to just put 3 circles, and this represents like your whiskers. All right. Are you tired? My little guy right here is not feeling too well, but he really wanted to do an art show today, so we're working with him. Okay, did you want to draw your cheeks?
Yes.
You got red cheeks. And while he's doing that, I'm going to be putting on some eyeballs on my beaver.
Yep.
All right.
Yep, Daddy.
And I'm going to put one eyeball right about here.
One down, one down, one down, one down.
And another eyeball right over here.
Dad.
Kitty.
Kitty. It's my googly eyes, googly.
Okay. Now, with this, you can always experiment. You can take the eyes, and some people might want to put their eyes closer. Some people might want to put them farther away. And then I always like to put a little eyebrow above it, like this. And then I'm going to put on my ears. Now for the ear, you don't want to put glue all over the ear. You want to just put it down in the lower part, because the ear might stick out a little bit, as you can see here. All right. And I forgot on this ear, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put another line right here to make that part a little thicker. So I'll do that.
Daddy, I don't want to do this.
Okay, you don't have to do that part. So
I'll put it on my hands.
okay. So you can put your ears on yours now.
Like that is doing that.
So sometimes we might forget some things, but we can always add them later. There's never a mistake in art. It's always called happy mistakes, isn't it, Lucas?
Yep. And I'm gonna put my hand like that.
And
The hand is right there. The hand is right down, Daddy.
so I love how you have your eyes real close together there. That is super cool. On the teeth, what you want to do is, this is the front of the tooth, and you want to put a little bit of glue, not much, but on the top of it. So that way when you open its mouth, you can stick its teeth right here. And remember, don't put a lot of glue because you don't want that mouth to be glued shut.
Yes.
Then you won't be able to use your puppet.
Yep.
Do you want to?
This is mine.
Okay. Do another one for you?
2?
Well, yeah, Beaver has 2 teeth.
Let me try it out now.
Now Lucas, he put his hands right here, and that was a good place for it. You grab this part. Did I steal your glue?
Yes.
Hello, kitty. Are you back again?
Yes.
And here's your other ear I found right here.
Ah!
We got a lot going on here.
Yes. Back. There.
See, we're making a beaver puppet there, kitty. Now we forgot. Oh, you want to put your ear on this side so you can see it a little better?
Okay.
And with the beaver tail, what you want to do is you want to put some glue right on here and then stick it on the back.
Where's my other ear?
Your other ear is right there.
I need the glue.
All right, I'm just going to touch glue here. Okay, go for it.
Okay.
And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the beaver tail on the back here and just press down on it. Bring this here so people can see it.
Beaver. Yeah.
So now we got a cool beaver family. We can have the daddy beaver and the mommy beaver and the baby beaver.
Yep.
And then you can, once they're dry, what you can do then is you can open it up like this. So once you get your beavers all made, then you can put on a beaver show. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Hope you check out our other videos. Make sure you subscribe and have a good day. Yeah, have a good day too. All right, thanks a lot for watching the show. We'll talk to you later. Have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.
Bye.